Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PSpice Tips. Today I'm going to show how it is possible to include a frequency data file exported from another software or maybe from an oscilloscope in PSpice. For that I'm going to use this file. As you can see here, this is the data that I exported, for example, from a software or from an oscilloscope or whatever. Here I'm using more or less 15 points, but just consider that I'm using here, for example, or I have exported here, for example, 500, 1000 or much more points. Just to imagine that the possibility to include this manually is not so comfortable, let's say. How does PSpice work? Well, I'm going to open here from the library ABM ftable component. And from here you can see that the option to do this is I have 3 columns and 3 rows: frequency, magnitude, and phase. If I simulate, I can see here the results of this simulation. The question is, how can I include this here? Well, one option is manually. Yes, manually is very funny, because now I have 15 points, but if I have 1000, for example, you can already forget it. So how can it be done? Well, there is a trick. What we have to do is we delete the value for these different rows. I come here again. I'm going to make here Control Z. I come here and it's a Control V. Here. Well, let me try again. Sometimes it doesn't work properly. What's happening here? Let's see. I'm going to copy again. Now, sometimes a little bit difficult, so you have to try a little bit. As you can see here, now I have all the values imported. Okay, so now if I simulate, we can see here we have an error. An error is this double plus. So I have to come here, or better, we come here inside of the table. Okay, that's the first plus. So what we have to do is just this. Okay. So the first component must be without a plus. If I simulate right now, we can see here the results. And now if I put here the magnitude in decibels, we can see that these are exactly the values that I have here inside of my data. I hope it helps. After you have seen, be careful a little bit how to put this information in the first row. And well, I hope it helps you. Whatever you know, whatever you need, just write down a comment. And don't forget to subscribe to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.